friends, once again welcome to our channel. Today once again we're going to introduce a new color to Yamaha FS80C. So earlier पहले Yamaha का FS80C में natural color में already Yamaha ने launch करा हुआ है ये गिटार और इसके reviews भी already हैं. हमने भी एक reviews बनाए थे FS80C natural color में. So today I'm going to introduce a new color which is black. FS80C में एक ब्लैक कलर भी लॉन्च हुआ है, यामा ने लॉन्च किया है. सो उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे आज. ओके सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि FS80C नेचुरल कलर में पहले भी लॉन्च हो गया है और अभी ब्लैक कलर में लॉन्च हुआ है जस्ट. सो अभी तक कोई रिव्यू नहीं है यूट्यूब पे. दिस वुड बी द फर्स्ट रिव्यू ऑफ ब्लैक कलर. सो आई विल जस्ट अनबॉक्स दिस गिटार टुडे एंड आई विल टेल यू अबाउट मोर अबाउट दिस गिटार. सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस गिटार. So once again, this is the box. It says Yamaha Guitar FS80C. BL is for black. BL is for black, and then we know that FS80C, F280, they are all being manufactured here in India. So made in India. Okay, so this is the new guitar, new color of FS80C, black color. So let's talk about the specification of this guitar a little bit. थोड़ा सा specifications के बारे में थोड़ा सा हम इसके बारे में जानते हैं. So first of all, let's uncover the strings. Alright friends, so I have this black color FS80C, and I have this pamphlet of Yamaha, and it says Ignite the Passion FS80C, the ultimate concert cutaway acoustic guitar made in India for India. And so just on the back side of this pamphlet I have all the specifications from Yamaha, so I will share these specifications with you. This color is natural color, but this one is newly launched black color. So only the color difference is there. This is natural, this is black. The rest of the specifications, this is absolutely similar to FS80C natural. Alright friends, so thoda sa specifications, we'll discuss the specification, general specifications. The size, the full length of this guitar is 40.5 inch, and the top of this guitar is a spruce top. ये जो wood है इसमें ये spruce wood लगा हुआ है, natural spruce wood. And on the sides, the side wood and the back wood. The sides and the back, they both are tone wood. Also the neck is also a tone wood. So back side is a matte finish, which is unlike FS100C. FS100C में आगे भी polished है. The front is also a glossy finish, and the back side and the sides are also gloss. But in FS80C, the front is a polished, a gloss finish, and the sides and the back and the neck, these are all matte finish. Alright, so as we know कि F280 guitar में जो body width है, which is about 16 1/4 inch. And FS80 में इस गिटार में the body width जो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक जो width है, it is only about 14.5 inch. So there's about 1.5 inch का difference है दोनों में. तो somebody who has a shorter height, उनके लिए it's very good. The size is very good and appropriate. Okay, so जो fingerboard material है ये rosewood का है, which is same as F280, F310. और ब्रिज भी रोजवुड का है, ब्रिज पिन्स ABS के हैं. एंड द ट्यूनिंग मशीन which is similar to F310, which is also similar to F280. ये covered chrome के tuning machines हैं. Okay, so now when you walk to a shop and you have this question कि F280 लेना चाहिए कि FS80C लेना चाहिए, because specification wise mostly both are similar, but कुछ areas है जहाँ पर दोनों में differences हैं. So number one, सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस जो है वो है बॉडी के लेंथ का। F280 का बॉडी का लेंथ है विच इज़ अबाउट 16 1/4 इंच, और FS80 जो ये गिटार है इसके बॉडी का जो लेंथ है विच इज़ अबाउट 14.5 इंच। सो अराउंड 1.5 इंच का डिफरेंस है दोनों में। सो अगर आपको साइज़ थोड़ा छोटा चाहिए तो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन एज कम्पेयर टू F280 बिकॉज उसका बॉडी विथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा है। So that's one difference. The second difference is F280 is a Western dreadnought shape. It has a full, and this FS80C is a cutaway. So sometimes cutaway guitars are very useful for playing the frets on the 17, 18 frets. Also, you can reach out to that frets also. So आराम से आप नीचे तक frets को आप reach out कर सकते हैं. Okay, so friends, once again एक बार the important part is the sound check. So एक बार sound check हम करते हैं, पहले open chords में, इसके बाद फिर bar chords में देखते हैं. Okay, so this is the black color which is just being launched, जो अभी recently launch हुआ है, और ये natural color जो थोड़े time से आ रहा है. So these are the two colors of FS80C. Now, which color do you like? I think black also looks amazing. Natural तो वैसे ही royal color है, ये काफ़ी time से guitars में use होता है. So according to me, I think I personally would like, या मेरे जो choice है दोनों color में, so I will go with this black color. So specification wise obviously बिल्कुल same है दोनों guitar, it's only the color difference. So which color do you like? As I said, I like black color more than natural color. This is my my own preference. What is your preference? Which color do you like? Please let us know on the comment box. I will wait to know कि कौन सा color popular है, कौन सा लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. So that's it. These are the two colors. Once again, check this out. From the side and then from the back. this was the sound check and the review of the guitar. So as a beginner, if you go to a shop and want to buy a Yamaha guitar, और अगर आपको चूज़ करना है FS80C में और F280 में, so specification wise तो almost दोनों same है. तो प्राइस में only there's a 500 difference. F280 6990 का है और FS80C इसका प्राइस है 7490. So there's not a lot of difference in specification. प्राइस में भी ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, only 500 rupees का difference है. So I think, but most importantly, ये गिटार बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही प्यारा बजता है, इसकी टोन क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, इसमें मटेरियल जो लगा है वो बहुत अच्छा है. So without a shadow of any doubt, I would recommend you buy this guitar. So this was the review. Thank you so much for watching and have